What's going on, you guys? Gaming Monster 76 here, back with another video. And today, the screen recorder, I'm using a Screencast-O-Matic. I used the same screen recorder as the last time. I'm using the same one as this time. I got my face cam. Well, my webcam is not working, so I gotta ask my dad about that. I cannot do reaction videos on my computer. I gotta do them on my, I gotta do it on the phone. So, yeah, let's start recording our video. So on this video, we're gonna be going over how to get, how to reach 50 subscribers. So, basically, how to reach 50 subscribers is, you gotta upload a bunch of videos. You gotta keep on uploading videos. See, you go to subscribers milestone on Social Blade. Count all your subscribers, all your money, all your YouTube money. So, subscriber milestone. It says that I'm gonna hit 100 subscribers tomorrow or something. You go to my live subscriber count. 83 subscribers. 83. We go to, let's check out some of my friends' YouTube channels. Go to Alex Williams. I'm gonna do a reaction video right after this one. It's gonna be a triple upload. No, another quadruple upload, because I uploaded another video. My friend Alex, he's making money. 69 views. That's good. Because you don't get paid by the subscribers, and nobody would be getting paid by subscribers. You get paid by the people that watch your videos. So you could have 0 subscribers and 2 million views, and you would still be earning money. Good, his view projections. Subscriber milestone. 25 subscribers in 10 days. This will be his views. Let's go to my friend Jaden's account. Also, Jaden, he's more stuff than Alex. Alex only records with a phone and a few apps. I record with my computer, my everything else. Jaden's account, he makes money too by the views. I'm higher than them though. So in 2 months he'll hit that much. Go to my milestones. His subscriber milestone. Got 50 in 2 days. So let's go on mine and compare them to those two. $82 subscribers, 172 views. Here's how much I make. I'm revealing it, everybody. That's how much I'm making doing these videos. My views are going up more than my subscribers. I upgraded from my D- to a D. I guess that's good a little. This is my updated gaming setup video. It's kind of updated now again, since I just added a webcam, but I don't need to do an updated gaming setup video for a webcam. We go to my videos. Yeah, this happens whenever I enter that tab, Social Blade. So, let's go to my 50 most viewed videos. And what the heck my brother's doing? More videos. Cause what the frick, guys? Probably because I just started making money. Literally, I checked on a Friday. I checked on Thursday, so no money. But I check now, because I'm making money on YouTube. So, yeah. Let's check a big YouTuber compared to me and my friends. Also, if you guys want to hit the first 50, because I know there's a lot of you guys that don't have much subscribers, and there's a lot of you guys that have more subscribers than me. So, yeah. I'm asked my dad to fix my webcam because there's no drivers for it. So you guys could finally see my, well, you guys already know what my face looks like, but you guys can see my face while I'm recording on my computer. So let's go into a huge YouTuber. This person's not a huge YouTuber, but let's try it. Dom Tracy. It's not a huge YouTuber, but on the way there. Kid, do you love YouTube? 1,934,295 subscribers. Look at all those views. This is how much he makes. That's his grade. Month and a year. See that? Now let's compare us to a bigger YouTuber. Let's try DNTM, see how he's doing. DNTDM. Look at the views. 13 billion views. His grade is A. Subscriber rank is really good. That's a lot of uploads. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of cash. Let's go to his future projections. Yeah, his milestones, jeez. $20,000 subscribers in 5 days. Now let's look a getting there YouTuber. A YouTuber that's kind of getting there. Who should we do? Angry. No, we should have done Rice Gum, but Angry Grandpa's good. No, he does not make 3 uploads. That's wrong. It's a lot of views, and that's not enough money. No offense, but it's not enough money. I make more money than this, and when you look at the views, probably just remakes the videos, like re-uploads them. Should we do Rice Gum? It's not that popular though. Lots of money. Oh look, even right here. That's all he cares about. Next to Life of Two Bros. No, that's not a popular channel. Could we do 6ix9ine? Does 6ix9ine have a channel? Let's check if 6ix9ine has a channel. Basically, this video saying how much he makes. 1 upload, and it's Fifi. I don't want to play the video for copyright, but 1 video, and it has to be Fifi. 14K. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. A lot of views. Lil Pump. and type in Q. Let's do we're gonna do one last YouTuber, and then I'm just gonna end the video because I'm tired as frick. Stampy. Lots of money. And he still has an Xbox 360. Like, come on, man. Now, let's check out another popular YouTuber. Me. I'm kidding. I'm not even close. I'm close to 100. I make money. My first paycheck's probably coming somewhere in September. I upload videos. I'm not like the other YouTubers that don't upload and want subscribers. I upload. Let's see my live subscriber count. 83. Okay. I was gonna react to a Super Mario Block Yoshi video. That's why you probably see the tab open. But I changed my mind. Yeah, 83 subscribers. Get me to 90, and then when we get to 90, I'll start talking about 100. Let's check my Instagram. Cause you guys better be following me on my Instagram. Social Blade with the frick. Business account. I ain't doing no business. Twitter. No freaking business account. I do have Twitter. Not much on it. I don't do Twitter anymore. I don't know. I forgot. I can't do Twitter right now. Twitch. I do stream on Twitch. Yeah, because 5 followers to enter their database and that crap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video's not much, but just wanted to record a video to say that I uploaded about 4 times. But this is just a video showing how much YouTubers and how much you guys can make on YouTube. Let's do one more before I end the video. Let's do Boonk. No, he doesn't. He has Instagram. Let's do my let's just type in Fortnite, see if there's any Fortnite channels that we could look at. Oh yeah, the Fortnite channel itself. Okay. That's lots of money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.